Good morning everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So here I have a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I have actually put down my base coat, my white. If you haven't seen my previous video of the Phoenix, well, that's what people are calling it, so that's what I'm going to go with. That's what I'm going to try and attempt again today. And if I can get this right, I'll be doing it on a larger canvas as well. So I'm using this red, which I'm not, this is the B.A.D red. I'm not too happy with using it on these kind of Dutch pours because it tends to be a little bit flat for some reason. And then I have some green, which I'm actually going to put along here. And I'm already seeing the cells are popping up. And here I have the withbadeart ice blue, which is absolutely stunning. It really looks good on black. I'm going to add, I think I might just put it in between here. It's a little bit thicker. I have actually used Floetrol. It's already pre-mixed with a Floetrol straight into the, what was left of this. And then to that I'm going to add some bright yellow. I'll just go down along here with a bright yellow. This is also B.A.D, and it's a fluorescent yellow. Just want to get rid of this doodad. And hopefully it will turn out wonderfully. I think I'm just going to add a little bit more yellow, especially up here. Give that a torch. So let's just see if how well this is going to turn out. I have no idea if I can actually replicate it. So let's give it a go. I think I might be seeing something in here. Okay, I think that looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to blow this down a little bit with my mouth because I would like that to look like, that's the bird's beak, if that makes any sense. Yeah, so I think that I blew that a little bit too far. It probably should have been a little bit shorter. The colors are amazing. I'm loving all these cells. And although I think the red is a bit much of a muchness, I do think that it looks good the way it is there. Let's see if I can get any cells to pop up there. Wow. This is looking awesome, guys. Beautiful. Well, guys, you'll have to be the judge of it. You tell me whether you think that that looks like a bird. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, guys, excuse the studio light, but look at all of these cells and these colors. Really, really beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that little random thing sticking up over there. That's just too pretty. Almost looks like it's 3D. Well, guys, let me know in the comments what do you think this is. Do you think it looks like a bird? I was hoping that that could look like maybe the head and the beak. That's the wing, the one wing, and the tail, and that's the other wing there. So it's actually soaring. I'm just wondering if I probably should have gotten rid of this part here, so that it looks more like a wing. But then I would take away from that there, so maybe it just balances it out. Alright, guys, thank you very much again for watching. Just a real quick one. Please stay well, and hope to see you in the next one. If you're interested in any of my artwork, please contact me on Gmail. That would be withBade@gmail.com. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.